Welcome to the Melly
and Shally Show.
The show where we unpack our product range and make it very simple, one product at a time.
Cool, so today's product focus is going to be the car care products, and this is our Cockpit Care.
So we have two products here, and size does matter. So the one is our Cockpit Shine and the other one is our Cockpit Care. So not only is the size the difference, but it's also important to know that the Cockpit Shine is when you want your dashboard to have that shiny effect. That is not what we're going to focus on today, but the focus will be on our Cockpit Care, which has more of a matte effect of it, and it is also both of them designed to protect your dashboard and make sure UV protection and everything against the sun, but also to make it clean and last much longer. So Shally, our Cockpit Care, and the reason that we are focusing on it today is because we had a couple of people inquiring about this product. So you've had experience with it as well, and we want to make it very, very clear that if you use this product and actually any other product, that there are certain things that is important to do before you apply it.
Yeah, so it's like example we have, if I want to wash my hair, I generally use conditioner, but now we have a shampoo. So the actual foaminess of the shampoo is affected by the conditioner. Same with the dash, so whenever you want to use this product on your dash, just make sure your dash is cleaned before you apply this product, because you might have an adverse effect where it might go white.
Yeah, so in any application, I mean, we see it with our oils, we've seen it with anything, is just to remove the dirt that's there before you want to apply the new application. So very, very important on your dashboard. Normally they do apply a silicone application in your normal car wash experiences, and that silicone needs to be removed before you're going to apply the Cockpit Care.
Awesome. So on this product itself as well, there are two different fragrances. So this is a vanilla, and we also have a citrus. So it depends on your car's likeness. You can also select those based on what your need is.
So if you have applied the Cockpit Care and it has gone white on your dashboard, don't worry. You can remove that. So all you need to do is to clean it, because that's just what it shows you, is it has a reaction with what is on the dashboard already. So when you, then you can use, if you don't have our Liqui Moly Super K product, because that's very easy to apply, it will clean everything in all the different lines and surfaces. But if you don't have that, you can just use a soapy application as well. Make sure that you have a cloth, remove all the old application on that dashboard, and then when that's dry, only then apply the Liqui Moly Dashboard Care, so that that can work on its own and there's not an interference of another product.
Cool, so what we're doing now is we're using microfiber cloth just to ensure that all the previous dirt is removed from it. And then what we do is we'll use this product to apply on the dash shelf, giving it amazing fragrance and the nice matte finish that you want.
So as we mentioned, the Super K, the product that you would apply to be able to make sure that you remove everything. If you don't have that, you can use a soapy application to be able to remove everything. And you now see when we apply the Cockpit Care that there is no change in color, it doesn't become white, because the product is now the only product on your dashboard. It's not mixing with something that's been applied before. So a lot of our car care products also have German writing on it. There will be English on it, but there is, in a lot of cases, a dominant German. And this is so easy to be able to make sure that it is, you know how to use it, videos around it, technical data sheet is always to use the Liqui Moly Advantage app, scan the barcode, and all the information you will find on the app will be in English. So on our next show, look out for our next Melly and Shally, and we will be unpacking the Super K, a product that you can apply absolutely everywhere, from your tackies, from your whiteboard, from the messes within your car. This is a product that absolutely cleans everything and removes the dirt in the deepest layers. So make sure that you catch that episode. And thank you very much for watching the Melly
and Shally Show.